What's up, guys? It's Gus Activa, and today we are going to learn about one of the most important verbs in the English language, get. But before that, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. Now, we use get every day in the English language. To get could mean to have, to receive, to bring, or to become. By the end of this video, you will be able to use get in the past, present, and future. And also, we're going to say a few of these together, so don't worry. So, how do we use get in the present tense? Let's see. I'll start off with the first sentence. I get food. You get a message. He gets money. She gets tired. Now, let's say this last one together. You repeat after me. We get together. Good job. Now that we're done with the present tense, let's move on to the past tense. The past tense is something that happened before or yesterday. So let's start off with some sentences with get in the past tense. I got home. You got a gift. He got angry. She got a job. Now let's say this last one together. You repeat it after me. We got the shoes. Good job. Now, we are on our last tense, the future tense. The future tense is something that's going to happen tomorrow or later. Now, let's go ahead and start using get in the future tense. I'll start it off. I am going to get the food. You are going to get a call. He is going to get better. She is going to get a new car. Let's say this last one together. You go after me. We are going to get a new computer. Good job. Now it's your turn to start off the sentence using get. You're going to read the sentence first. I'm going to let you say it. And then I'm going to come back around and see if you pronounced it right. Ready? I get coffee in the morning. I got a message yesterday. I'm going to get a car next year. Good job. I am so proud of you. Today, you learned how to use the verb get in the past, present, and future. Remember to practice every day talking English out loud. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.